Here are some more quick weeknight dinner ideas that are easy to prepare and delicious. Number 1. Taco night. Ingredients: ground beef or turkey, taco seasoning, tortillas, toppings like lettuce, cheese, salsa, and avocado. Instructions: cook the meat in a skillet with taco seasoning. Warm tortillas and set up a toppings bar for everyone to assemble their own tacos. Number 2. Stir-fried rice. Ingredients: cooked rice, mixed vegetables, either fresh or frozen, soy sauce, eggs, and green onions. Instructions: in a pan, scramble eggs and set aside. Stir-fry vegetables until tender, then add rice and soy sauce. Mix in scrambled eggs and top with chopped green onions. Number 3. Pesto pasta with cherry tomatoes. Ingredients: pasta, pesto sauce, cherry tomatoes, and Parmesan cheese. Instructions: cook pasta according to package instructions. Toss with pesto and halved cherry tomatoes. Serve with grated Parmesan. Alright, let's dive into our next dish sheet: pan sausage and veggies. For this recipe, you'll need sausage, whether you prefer chicken, pork, or a plant-based option, along with some colorful bell peppers, onions, olive oil, and a bit of Italian seasoning. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Next, toss the sausage and chopped veggies with olive oil and your Italian seasoning. Spread everything out on a baking sheet and pop it in the oven. Roast for about 25 to 30 minutes and you're done. Enjoy this simple, flavorful meal. Alright, next up is caprese stuffed chicken. For this, you'll need chicken breasts, fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, and some balsamic glaze. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Then cut a pocket in each chicken breast and stuff them with mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes and drizzle with balsamic glaze before serving. Now, let's move on to shrimp tacos with slaw. The ingredients you'll need are shrimp, a cabbage slaw mix, lime, tortillas, and avocado. Sauté the shrimp with some lime juice until they're cooked through. Then, serve them in tortillas with the cabbage slaw and sliced avocado. Next, we have vegetable quesadillas. You'll need tortillas, cheese, assorted vegetables like bell peppers, onions, and spinach, and some salsa. Start by sautéing the vegetables until they're tender. Then, fill the tortillas with cheese and the sautéed veggies. Cook them on a skillet until they're golden and the cheese is melted. Serve with salsa. Feel free to mix and match ingredients based on what you have on hand. And hey, let me know if you need any more ideas or specific recipes.